Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure permit research for flips using iBuild or city portals, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the iBuild platform or the appropriate city portal. Log in using your credentials to access the system. Once logged in, locate the Permit Research section in the main menu. Click on Permit Research to open the related tools. In the search bar, enter the property address for the flip project you are interested in. Select the correct property from the search results. Review the property information displayed to ensure it's accurate and complete. Next, navigate to the Permits tab to view any active or past permits related to the property. Examine the list of permits for relevant details, including types of permits, issue dates, and statuses. If necessary, filter the results by date range or permit type to narrow down your search. For each permit, click to view additional details. Make notes about any conditions or requirements listed under each permit. Now, return to the main research page to check zoning information. Locate the zoning tool within the Permit Research section. Enter the property address once again to access specific zoning information. Review zoning restrictions, allowed uses, and requirements for your intended flip project. Next, navigate to any historic or special area designations that may apply to your property. Consult any additional resources or links provided for more detailed zoning guidelines. Once you have gathered all necessary permit and zoning information, review your findings. Consider reaching out to the local planning department if you have any unanswered questions. Prepare documentation based on your research for any upcoming permit applications. Finally, keep records of your research for future reference and consultations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.